Hey guys, it's Airsoft Man here, and right now this thing won't go lately. I'm probably gonna look at it and it's all taped together. I got pulled over a couple days ago. I didn't have the camera on me, so I got this thing muddy a couple days ago. Access to shadows on my tire. So yeah. I just want to say this sucks how I have to suffer doing this stuff and taking this stuff. And as you can see, there's all this mud. But this thing probably blew. Or something. Like, this thing probably blew. Spark or something. Spark plug. It's so freaking muddy right now. I mean, freaking funny how muddy it is right now. So yeah, that's the reason why I haven't been making videos. Oh Jesus! There, I took off a big chip of it. Yeah, that's why. Oh Lord. So yeah, me and my dad are gonna be looking at it. I'll probably do a YouTube video about it. Oh, sorry. So yeah. Once again, I'm Airsoft Man, and please like and subscribe. It'll help me out a lot, and I'll probably make a lot more videos. So yeah, Airsoft Man. See ya. Please like and subscribe.